Here we have a external Kair Louvred Grille with a 100mm round spigot. These are available in 5 colours: brown, beige, black, terracotta and white. It is a standard 155 by 155mm square grille. It has a 99.5mm male spigot that push fits into a 100mm ventilation pipe. Once the grille is fixed in place, the vent grille is 16mm from the wall fascia. To dismantle the grille, simply apply pressure to one side of the grille until louvers pop out. This is where you'll find 4 fixing points. The bottom of the vent grille is marked with a lip. The louvers need to be facing down away from the building. To put the grille back together, push the lugs at one side of the grille and push fit into place. The 100mm round spigot will push fit into a ventilation pipe. In this example, a vent grille is used for a through-the-wall extraction with a 100mm extractor fan. These grilles are available in 100, 125 and 150mm diameter round spigot.
For our full range of Kair ducting and fittings, please visit our store on Amazon.